Hi guys, I'm here in a roadside doing camping. We're in Genting Island guys. Very cold guys, very cold really. See, get a jacket, I get a scarf. Now I need a blanket, oh my god. But it's very nice here. Waiting for the sunrise. Carpet sunrise guys. Today is about 3 something already in the morning. Look around, so many people. Now I'm giving my foods all about foods, but it's really cold guys, cold.